Hey folks, Big Mister here, and I am back. Today we're going to be making some extra chili. But before we get started, I'm going to answer a few questions that I know you probably have. First off, I'm drinking bourbon. This is Evan Williams Bottled in Bond. I like it. I'm drinking it on the rocks. Why? Because it's hot like fish grease here. So, next, where have I been? I know you've been wondering that and you've been missing me so much, but I moved to Texas. Me and the family moved down here to Texas. We came to spend some time with my mom before she passed. Unfortunately, we didn't have that much time, but I was glad we got to spend some time with her. I want to take time to thank you for all the thoughts and prayers that you're going to send me in my comments. And please hit the like button while you're there. Appreciate that. The next question, have you been cooking? Yes, I have been cooking, but I haven't been doing it on video. Well, I take that back. I have been doing some cooking TikTok videos just because they're shorter and a little easier to make. But I'm coming back to YouTube. I'm going to put up a lot more videos for you. Question after that, the one I get all the time, since you're in Texas, are you doing barbecue? And the answer is no. No, I'm really not. I think I've cooked one brisket the whole time I've been here. I've been moving on to a career in voiceover. So if you have any projects you need me to work on, hit me up. I have a website. It's called hospitablevox.com. Check that out. But in the meantime, I'll be here still doing cooking videos with you guys. One more question. Why is it taking me so long to come back? Well, where we're staying, the kitchen's a little small, a little awkward. I haven't even unpacked all my cooking gear yet, but after a while I just said, to hell with it, I'm going to cook. So I'm going to make some videos today. We're going to start off with some extra chili. Let's get to work. And we're going to start by browning some ground beef. I'll hit that with a little salt and pepper. Yes, I'm going to mix that up. In the meantime, we're going to boil some dried chilies. Got some chili arbol, some New Mexico chilies, and some ancho chilies. Ancho. You can really use any chilies you want. These are just the ones I had on hand. Once the chilies are soft, we're going to put them in a blender with some onion, some garlic, and some of the chili water. Now we just blitz that up so it's nice and smooth. Now you might be asking, why not just add some chili powder to it? I told you it was extra chili. By now you should have some good browning on your meat. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Alright, it's time to get busy. Let's start by sauteing some bell pepper and some onion. Once the bell pepper and onion is soft, we're going to add some more garlic. Why? I told you I'm extra. Next we add a small can of tomato paste. Yes, all of it. We're going to add a package of chorizo. Why? Extra. Then we're going to add a pinch of beef bouillon. I'm lying. Now we add some beer to deglaze the pan. Be sure and scrape up all those brown bits on the bottom. Should be nice and clean when you're done. Add in our chili mix. Add 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes because I'm extra. And 2 cans of water. You know your mama told you to rinse out them cans. Put the meat in there. Now it's time to season my damn food with some salt, black pepper, white pepper, cayenne, some ground chipotle, some cumin, don't be bashful, Italian seasoning for some herbaceousness, some smoked paprika, come on out of there, and some chili powder. Why? Because it's chili. Duh. As my father used to call it, some Worcestershire sauce. Now watch this, you may never see it again. I'm adding a pinch of sugar. That's right, a pinch. I'm not trying to make it sweet like some of them people up in a town that won't be named. I just want to kill some of the acidity of the tomatoes. And now we're going to cover it and let it simmer for at least an hour. But longer is better. Now some of you in the less civilized parts of the country might be wondering why I didn't add any beans. Well, because it's against the law to add beans to chili in Texas. should be in the Constitution. Well, it's been about an hour and a half. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that is a surly looking brew there, isn't it? Let's give it a stir. Oh, baby. That's gonna be some good chili right there. Let's plate it up and see what Phyllis thinks. All right, that chili is hot and ready to go. Let's see if we can find a taste tester. Told you, it's Texas. It's against the law to have beans and chili.
Yay, Texas.
Blow on the chocolate. She always takes so long to say something.
Can I breathe?
I don't know, can you?
I ain't even gonna dance to you now. I just tell you that it's good. So,
You can't even stop dancing. You just wiggling.
And I'm trying not to. Bye.
Bye. She adding cheese, y'all. It was too spicy for her. It wasn't too spicy. But
Nope. Could have used some Fritos though.
it would have been good with some Fritos, but I didn't get it.
I know.
Okay, folks, that is the extra chili. I appreciate you coming by and checking me out. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. While you're here, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the extra chili. I am so happy to be back here talking to you. Cooking for you. I'll see you soon.